For making paneer bhurji, we will need paneer 500 grams and 4 onions, green chilies and 3 tomatoes. These are medium sized tomatoes. This paneer I won't cube, but I will just gently mash it with my fingers like this. Mash the paneer like this, and also I have prepared the vegetables and I have chopped them. Now in it we will add around 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. And in it we will add 2 teaspoons of jeera, and we will let it crackle. In it we will add this chopped onion. And we will saute it. Keep your flame from low to medium. After around half a minute, we will add the chopped green chilies. In they go, and in it we will add 1 teaspoonful of salt just to tenderize the tomatoes. We will mix it and then we will cover and keep it for 1 minute. So let's come back after 1 minute. After 1 minute, and let's see. The tomatoes are well tenderized. Now we will add turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon and just a bit more. Coriander powder, 1 tablespoon. And 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, or more if you would like it a bit more spicy. And we will add little bit of around 2 tablespoons of water to it, and we'll mix it. Keep the flame to low to medium. Now we will just switch the flame to low, and we will cover and let the masalas fry for 1 minute. We are back after 1 minute. And now we will add the crumbled paneer to it. And we will mix it thoroughly. Keep the flame from low to medium. Here we will now add around 3 tablespoons of water to it. And we will mix it. At first we added 1 tablespoon of salt in the tomatoes, and now we will add another 1 tablespoon of salt to it. And we will mix it well. just smash the paneer like this. And cover it for half a minute. We will keep the flame from low to medium. Now switch the gas to minimum. Let's now do a taste check and see if the salt is good enough for us. The salt is perfectly okay. And now we will add a secret ingredient to it, and it's biryani masala. I have a biryani masala recipe in my channel, and whose link I'll give in the description box. And if you don't have at home, you can always buy a store buy. Okay, so it's 1 tablespoon of biryani masala powder. And we will mix it. This biryani masala gives an edge to the normal paneer bhurji. And we will uncover and let it cook for half minute. Half minute of frying the paneer is done, and now we will switch off the flame and we will add around half teaspoon, or sorry, half, not 1 teaspoon of ghee to it, and we will mix it. Now just cover it, and after 1 or 2 minutes it's ready to be served. I have served the paneer bhurji. You can have it with rice or roti, or as it is if you like it. And I hope you have liked this recipe, and if you do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay healthy and stay happy, and we will meet soon in another recipe of minimal ingredients. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.